Welcome to Science Quiz. Question number first. What planet is known as the red planet? Option is Earth, Mars, Saturn, Pluto. And the right option is Mars. Question number 2. How many legs does the spider have? Option is 4, 6, 2, 8. And the right option is 8. Question number 3. What is the boiling point of water? Option is 100 degrees Celsius, 99 degrees Celsius, 98 degrees Celsius, 97 degrees Celsius. And the right option is 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. What gas do plants produce during photosynthesis? Option is nitrogen, oxygen, methane gas, carbon dioxide. And the right option is oxygen. Question number 5. How many bones are in the human body? Option is 206, 207, 208, 205. And the right option is 206. Question number 6. What is the right chemical symbol of water? Option is H2O, 2HO, HO2, OH2. Right option H2O. Question number 7. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Option is Earth, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. Right option Mercury. Question number 8. Which planet is known for its rings? Option is Earth, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter. And the right option is Saturn. Question number 9. What is the smallest unit of life? Option is cells, tissue, biosphere, organ. And the right option is cells. Question number 10. How many planets are in our solar system? Option is 9, 8, 7, 10. And the right option is 8. Question number 11. What is a baby frog called? Option is calf, foal, tadpole, fawn. Right option is tadpole. Question number 12. What is the largest mammals in the world? Option is blue whale, elephant, giraffe, seal. Right option is blue whale. Question number 13. What do bees collect from flower? Option is food, smell, nectar, nothing. And the right option is nectar. Question number 14. What is the term for animal that only eat plant? Option is herbivores, omnivores, carnivores, scavenger. Right option is herbivores. Question number 15. How many hearts does an octopus have? Option is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the right option is 3.